In today's episode, we're looking at classic toys, and I'm here with my friend Mike, and he was talking to me and he said, well, I've got something really rare in my loft. It's from the Thunderbirds film, Thunderbirds Are Go, which came out in December 1966. But this particular toy, which is 5 toys in one, came out in early 1967. So you'd have got this for your birthday, Mike?
Yes, it would have been August 67. It was a long time ago. So.
Yeah. Now we know this toy is really rare. There's not many of them been made because the original in the actual movie was like 7 foot long or something. Then they created this toy.
Yeah.
And you haven't unboxed it for many a year, so this is quite good. Can we unbox it?
Yeah, it was quite an expensive toy at the time, so I didn't realise how lucky I was. So I was told to look after it, and I've been looking after it pretty well since. So. Yeah.
The box is in great condition. You've got this lovely old-fashioned picture of a very freckled boy on the front. Look at that. The quality looks amazing, yeah.
So yeah, the graphics are quite nice.
Yeah.
That's
brilliant.
Obviously taken from the film. And
now, what in the movie, what did this toy do? What was the basis of this particular vehicle? Do you know?
I can't remember. I think this front part was called a Martian exploration vehicle, an MEV.
Yeah.
So basically they were going to be flying to Mars, I think.
Right.
But it kind of doubled up as a cross between a spaceship and a regular jet airliner.
Yeah. So if you're a fan of Thunderbirds, tell us in the comments. Let us know what did this do. Okay.
I can't even remember. It was a long time ago.
So
shall we get it?
Let's get it out. Yeah, to help. Right. So is it in working order? Do we think? When was the last time this would have operated? A long time ago, I guess.
Yes, I think it does work. We've got the.
So you've got the original.
Oh, it's the original manual.
Official manual. That's brilliant. Look at that.
And it says it's a remote control, but
it wasn't
really a remote control.
No, not what we class today. It was
not
connected
like
to
today's then, because it's attached by a lead. But
okay.
That's the front section.
So I've got the front section.
Yeah, that's the MEV, Martian Exploration Vehicle.
Okay.
And that part there, that's the heat shield.
Right.
So it's kind of similar to, like a space shuttle.
Right, okay.
A few years ago.
So then so that's the first bit of the toy, yes, that's toy number 1.
The main fuselage, you'd call it, wouldn't you?
Number 2.
Yeah.
What would this bit be? Like the wings that fit on the top?
Kind of the wings.
Yeah.
I can't remember. It's been a long time.
Okay.
Number 1. So we might have to read the instructions.
Yeah, put it all together.
Put that down there. Oh, it might be a little bit of.
There's a little bit broken off.
We're not sure
where that comes. So again, do you know where this bit fits? If you do, let us know in the comments below. We're not sure where this goes.
That little piece, I think, goes there. So I think that could be.
Oh right, it's come off the top.
That's.
Oh yeah, it is. Fits on there. Okay.
Well, I think that might be something to do with these wings, but we might see that when we try and assemble it.
Okay, so we're going to try and assemble it now. Put the whole thing together and see if we can get it to all fix together, and then maybe get some batteries in this and see if it can go.
The instructions are on the back of the box.
We'll try and give this a go. Right, let's put the whole thing together.
We'll try without breaking it.
Without breaking it.
Quite fragile.
And that'd be fantastic. Yeah, let's try and do it and put it all together. So as you can see, we've got the model together, but Mike, there's a slight problem, isn't there?
Yeah, having a bit of an issue getting wing number 1 attached to the fuselage.
Right.
Which, as far as I can remember, or I can see, read the instructions, these wheels, or the undercarriage, should just pop into that, and I think you should push that in, and I assume that should lock, but it doesn't seem happy.
No,
it doesn't seem
going
to lock.
in there.
I don't want to break it. It's so fragile.
Do you know how this clicks in? If you've got one of these models, if you have, please let us know how that bit clicks in, because we're frightened to unless something's gone wrong here or something's missing, because we don't know how to click that in. Do you know how to click it in? Leave it in the comments below. Please let us know about it. This remote control is interesting, isn't it? Because the thing about this was it came out in 1966, and it looks like a mobile phone, doesn't it?
It looks like a very early mobile phone.
Yeah, like the old brick ones used to get.
Yeah, but I think it's actually modelled on a walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
Something like the army would have had,
Yeah.
wouldn't they? An old-fashioned walkie-talkie.
So we put the batteries in
the
it.
batteries are in there.
The aerial, does that come out? What happens with that?
Yeah, it doesn't do a lot, but
No? Okay.
no.
So should we plug it in and see if this thing works?
Yes.
Which would be brilliant.
I'm hoping it will, because in theory there's not actually much to go wrong.
Right,
And
let's
the
have a look.
connections look all right, so fingers crossed.
Now, while Mike's doing that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can check out our blog on www.downatthebarns.uk. Right, the moment of truth. Let's see if we can get it going. Mike, you ready? Drum roll, please.
Prepare for takeoff.
Prepare for takeoff.
Fingers crossed.
Are you ready, Mike?
It's taking off.
Now, would those lights have worked on the back of it? Do you think?
Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, these lights should be flashing green on there and
so
red
they
on
don't work. So,
So
they need soldering, maybe.
Yeah,
I wonder what it's worth, Mike.
yeah, I'd like to
Interesting.
know.
So if you know how much it's worth, please let us know in the descriptions below. That would be fantastic. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and comment, because that would be fantastic. And let us know what you think of this wonderful 0X model. And we'll catch you next time down at the Barns.